Okay, a linearization video part 3. I'm continuing. This is the method of Newton's method. We got this x1 is equal as the formula x node, which is we have it by the beginning as 3 minus f of x node, right? It's 1.859 divided by 1.990. What is this value? Equals to, okay, let me cancel this. 1.859 divided by 1.990. The answer is this. Subtract that from 3. The answer will be 2.0658. So 2.06. The 5 will become 6 by rounding it to the nearest 3 digits after the point. Let's perform this Newton's method again, because he said perform the Newton's method twice to have less error, or to move towards the correct route more than we did in the first time. So the correct route now is really approximation 2.066. Let's see if we can find a nearest one. So x2 is equal to x1 minus, right, f of x1 in this case over f of x2, and that will be equal to x1, which is 2.066 minus f of x1. Let's see what is f of x1, which is f of 2.066. The original function was 3 minus, was 3 or x was x, right? X, which is 2.066 minus sine x minus sine 0, 2.6066 minus 1, right? This is the original function, x minus sine x minus 1. So let me see what is this value equals to. Okay, so let's find this value first. 2.066. What is the sign of that in radians? What is the sign of that? Okay, it's 0.879. Let's multiply this value by minus 1, right? It will be minus 0.879, whatever. And we subtract 1 from that, right? And we add to it 2.066 approximately. It will become 0.861, 1861. So 0.186. So the answer will be 0.186. And what is f prime of 2.066? The answer will be, what is the derivative of that? Derivative is 1 minus cosine x, so it's 1 minus cosine this value, 2.066. Go back to our calculator. It's 2.066 cosine, right? Cosine 2.0. I don't know if that's true. I did something wrong. 2.066, and we need the cosine of this number. Okay, the cosine of this number equal, and 1 minus this number, right? 1 minus this number. So we have to multiply this number by minus first, and then I add 1, right? I add 1. The answer will be 1.475. 1.475. Yeah, this is correct. 1.475. So this f of x1 will be 0.186 over 1.475. And the final answer of x2 should be equal to, let's see again, it's 0 point, right? 0 point, let me take it back to degree first. It's 0.186 divided by 1.475. The answer will be 0.126. 1, we have to subtract this number from 2.066. It's positive. It should be positive. This number is more positive, 19398. So it's 1.95. 2.940 up rounding it, right? So this is x2. So I find x2, which is 1.940. So now I'm more near to the correct root, to the correct root. Okay, it is not the correct root, but I'm more near than 2.066. If we perform this more than one time, two times, three times, it depends. If he is telling me to the nearest 10 to the power minus 4, this means I'm going to do that four times to reach this. We will see that in another example. Let's start an example. Perform two steps of Newton's method in an attempt to find an approximate of a root of f of x. Let's say f of x equal x to the power 3 minus 4x plus 1, right? Use x node equal 2 as initial guess. All right, again, x1 is equal to x node minus f of x node over f prime of x node, where f prime does not equal to 0. What is f prime first? F prime of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4. So f prime of x node, which is 2, is equal to 3 times 2 squared, 12 minus 4, so it's equal to 8. And what is f of x, right? F of 2, I mean, it's 2 cubed, right? Minus 4 times 2 plus 1, so the answer will be 8 minus 8 plus 1, so it is equal to 0 plus 1, then it is equal to 1. Great. So x1, I'm finding it. It's x node, which is 2 minus f of x node, which is 1, divided by f prime, which is 8. So 2 minus 1 over 8. The answer will be 16 minus 1, 17 divided by 8. That's great, which is equal 17 divided by 8. It's 6.125, right? 6.125. I think so. Let's make sure it's 17 divided by 8. So the answer is equal to, yeah, 2 point, why 6? I don't know. 16 divided by 8, it's 2. So I don't know why I put 6, maybe because I thought of 16. So it's 2.125. Now let me find the x2, because he said perform also two steps. x2 is x1 minus f of x1 divided by f prime of x1. And that is 2.125 minus f of x1 means f of, let's say, f of x1, it's f of 2.125, right? Which is 2.125 to the power 3 minus 4 times 2.125 and plus 1. So I have to multiply 2.125 three times, okay? Or to raise it directly to the power 3, right? Cube of 2.125 is equal to 9.5957. 9.9597. 5957. 596 minus 4 times this value, it's 8. It's 8.5 plus 1. So the answer will be 9.596 minus 7.5. So it will be equal to this value minus 9. Let me write it. 9.596 minus 7.5. 7.5 is equal to 2.069. 2.096, I guess, not 69. I can't really figure out the numbers on the computer. Okay, f prime of this value, 2.125, is equal to same thing, and we put the numbers here to find x2, and this will be the other check, because I think so I will not, I can't continue this because the time, and it's just a matter of calculations. That's why I will not repeat this if we still have time, right? If we still have no time. Minus 4, this is the derivative. So 2.125 squared, 2.125 times 2.125. The answer is 4 point something times 3 equal, and we subtract 4 from that whole, we get 9.546 or 547 rounding. 9.547, right? 9.547. So this number here will be 2 point. 096, and this number here will be 9.